Hello, this is my 1998 Audi A4 with a exhaust leak. As you can see from the bottom of the car, my catalytic converter is about half an inch off the floor. I'm gonna get that fixed this week. But the sound is so loud. It's a manual. This is a cold engine. Pretty cold, as you can see. Most of the sound is coming from the front of the engine. Very loud. Let's go take it for a ride. Oh yeah, I can't. My cat is hanging an inch from the ground. I can hear it rubbing on the floor. So yeah, this is my Audi.